In this video, we will demonstrate how to configure MailMaster in Qualys DMS. After logging into the application using a valid login ID and password, navigate to the home page. In the home page, click on Master main menu. Click on Mail submenu, which expand to the options available. It includes Mail Host, Mail Template, Mail Config, Mail Alert Transaction and Mail Status. Let us now have a look at how to configure Mail Host. Click on Mail Host submenu, which will navigate to Mail Host page. On this page, the list of hosts available will be displayed. To add a new mail host, click on Action icon, followed by clicking on Add option. Add Mail Host page appears, in which the details of the mail host can be entered. In Display Name field, enter display name of the host. In Host Name field, enter host name. In Port Number field, enter the port number for the host. The default port numbers are 587 and 456. In Email ID field, enter the email ID from which the mail will be triggered. In Password field, enter the password for the email ID. Click Submit button. On the Mail Host page, the newly added host details will be displayed. Let us move on to configure Mail Template. These templates will be used while triggering mails automatically. Click on Mail Template submenu under Mail menu. Mail Template page opens up, in which the available templates are displayed. To add a new mail template, click on Action icon, followed by clicking on Add option. Add Mail Template page appears, in which the details of the mail host can be entered. In Template Name field, enter the name of the template. In Subject field, enter the subject of the mail. In Email Tag field, select a screen name. Tags associated with the selected screen appear on the left side. In the Text field, type the mail content and add tags from the list as required, by dragging and dropping in the text box. Click Submit button. The newly added mail template appears on the Mail Template page. In order to edit the existing mail template, select the same, click on Action icon, followed by clicking on Edit option. The details of the selected mail template appear on the Edit page. Make the necessary changes in the required field values. Click Submit button. Let us move on to Mail Config. You can configure mails to trigger automatically when a selected action is carried out in the respective page. Click on Mail Config submenu under Mail main menu. It will open up Mail Config page. The list of existing mail config is listed. To add a new mail config, click on Action icon, followed by clicking on Add option. Mail Config dialog window appears. In Host Name field, select the host name. In Template Name field, select the template name. In Screen Name field, select the screen name. In Action Type field, select an action which will trigger the mail. Optionally click to select Enable Monthly Mail to enable automatic triggering of mail on monthly basis. In Mail Day field, select the date on which the monthly mail has to be triggered. Optionally click to select Enable Weekly Mail to enable automatic triggering of mail on weekly basis. In Mail Day field, select the day on which weekly mail has to be triggered. In Mail Time field, select the time at which the mail has to be triggered. In User Role field, select the role to receive the mail. Users in the selected role appears in the user pane. Select the users from the left side pane and click right arrow to add to the recipient list. Click Submit button. The newly created mail config appears on the page. To add or remove users to or from the mail config, click on plus or minus icon. Mail user dialog window appears. From available list, select the user and user right arrow to add to the existing list. Click on Submit button. The newly configured users will appear on the User Details pane of Mail Config page. To edit the existing mail config, select the mail config, click on Action icon, followed by clicking on Edit option. Mail config dialog window appears with the details of the record to be edited. Make necessary changes in the required field values. Click Submit button. In order to remove any existing mail config, select the same, click on Action icon, followed by clicking Delete option. Let us move on to Mail Alert Transaction feature. Click on Mail Alert Transactions submenu under Mail main menu. It will open up Mail Alert Transaction page in which the details of the existing records will be displayed. The display of the records can be filtered based on from and to date. Let us move on to Mail Status feature. Click on Mail Status submenu under Mail main menu. It will open up Mail Status page in which the details of emails that have automatically been triggered will appear. The display of the records can be filtered based on from and to date. Log out of the application by clicking Logout icon. This completes the demonstration of Mail Master configuration in Qualys DMS.